Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to manage notifications on LinkedIn. So to do this, you have just to go to the LinkedIn app, open it. After that, go and click on your picture on the top left of the screen. After that, click on settings. After that, click on notifications. And as you can see here, you will find all the notifications. So you can open them one by one and choose which notifications you want to receive and which notifications you don't want to receive. And that's it. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. To like this video, if you have any question, you can put it in the comment section and I will be sure to answer all of your questions. And see you in the